PFAS contamination is a global challenge, and the Colorado School of Mines is engineering the solutions. The PFAS RiTE Center is dedicated to moving PFAS treatment technologies of all types from the lab to the field and the communities that need them most.
There are a lot of different potential PFAS treatment technologies out there. Most options just create another problem.
Our mission is complete destruction, finding promising technologies that take the forever out of forever chemicals. Through a rigorous peer-reviewed protocol, we're ensuring the next generation of tools are not only effective, but also economical and energy efficient.
Supported by ESTCP and working with our partners across the country, we're providing decision makers with the data they need to protect public health and the environment.
If you're developing a PFAS treatment technology, we want to hear from you. Learn more at pfas.mines.edu.